Howdy YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special, I do believe, Amazon Prime unboxing. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, add it to your cart if you like this item. Also, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And let's see what's inside. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe and doing good. Let's see what's inside here. Oh, baby. Come on out. Here we go. Alright. Oh, this is a nice one. Bada boom. HoHem iSteady V2. AI smartphone gimbal. I think I pronounced it right. We got AI vision, built-in LED video light. Whoa. Moment mode, gesture control, emergency power bank, 3-axis stabilization, quick roll, ultralight foldable design. So you get iSteady V2, mini tripod, charging cable, storage pouch, a wrist strap. So that's good probably for the remote. So let's take a look at this one. So they got a lot of good stuff for your smartphones and other goodies. Brand new. Definitely check them out, guys. They will be selling out fast. Really nice presentation. Really digging in this setup they have. Make the moment, guys. Enjoy it. You only got one, so you gotta take it easy sometimes and just relax. Ooh. Alright. Let's grab my other phone. That's on the charge. So this must be the travel pouch, the satchel bag. Got their logo right there. HoHem. Put that right there for now. We got the wrist strap. And now we got the manual. That's all gone. Oops. There we go. And pretty decent sized manual. Probably gonna need that to install the app and all that good stuff. Oh, here's the tripod, the HoHem. Folds out like that. Kind of looks like a fidget spinner. I remember those. Oops. There you go. So you get that. There's a USB cable. Hopefully it's charged enough so we could shoot the video with. Decent size. Put that right there. Alright, get out of here. Don't be shy. Do not eat this. Make sure you throw it away. Or just leave it in there because in case you have pets or small kids, you might not want them to eat it. Not safe. Alright, here we go. Now let's take a look at this bad boy. V2 iSteady. Here we go. Oh, this has a nice feel. Nice look. Kind of got the analog stick. Side buttons. You twist to unlock. Spin right here. Gotta peel off these stickers. These should expand. Yep. There's a light too right there, so that's really cool. Definitely a first that I've seen that has light. Like this way it's like super lightweight. This is more than connect. So you can have it like this, you know, but it'd be kind of harder, or like this. Whatever, which way you want it. Whatever feels comfortable for you guys. Just locks it in. There we go, that's locks it in place. And then this one should be here. Here we go. Here is where USB is. Right there is the USB to charge it. And now we're gonna grab the other phone. Be right back. Alright guys, we're right on page 1. This is the QR code you're gonna need to scan. So you're gonna grab your phone and go to your QR scanner, give it a zap. There we go. Then it's gonna open it up in the browser. And then say download it, because it's a safe. Here it is. Any second. Everything looks good. So the power button must be around here somewhere. Okay, let's hold this for 3 seconds. And it's going to connect. Once we get it going, I'm going to pause you guys. Alright guys, once you connect, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to hit D. Hopefully it picks it up. It should be. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got it going. The world's first AI visual tracking with LED video light. This thing is amazing. This is coming from HoHem iSteady V2 AI smartphone gimbal. There's an app, the HoHem app. Once you get the box, it'll be in the manual. So you just gotta download that, get that set up, and here we go. Amazing technology, guys. And right here, you can use this as a power bank, so you can connect it to your phone and charge your phone while you're shooting your vlogs or whatnot, even special events, your kids' sporting events, weddings and bachelor parties, and more of the good stuff. Great controls, as you can see. Gotta go through the HoHem app. There I am. Up, down. So this will be my definite new tripod, be filming videos. Because I mean, this clarity of this app is amazing. They got a lot of scenes you could do. Turn the tracking on. Hold it for a second. There we go. And then if you want to activate it, hit, there you go, it flashes, okay. So see the tracking right there? It'll track my movements. So if you want to focus on your kids' sports, stuff like that, it'll follow. There we go. What else am I going to show you? You can switch to do different scenes. Do time lapse. I never did a time lapse video in my life, but those are pretty cool to do. I mean, look how clear this thing is. Amazing technology, guys. Side control is going to be zoom in. There's a side button right there. Oops. Oh, because I already got it in the... There we go. Whoa. Extreme close-up. Let's see how this works. There's a time lapse. Just go ahead. There we go. You can touch it too. All the way down. Well, look at that. And if you want to use the video light, there we go. So great for vlogging, streaming, and you could flip. You could do like your TikTok live streams. Just amazing. Look at that. There's a tripod that comes with it, or you can take it off and then use it as a selfie stick type deal. See, and then oh, there's the time lapse. That's pretty crazy. It moves fast. All right. Ooh, there I am. Extreme close up. Whoa, I need to shave. There we go. There's moments. Panoramic. It'll shoot this all in panoramic. Oh, there I am. And it'll shoot it in whole it'll shoot it in panoramic, which is really cool. I'm gonna adjust that way. We got it going. So there we go. I think I got covered pretty much. You can do slow-mo. And in gesture mode. And you can hold it. I forgot how they do it. Something like that. And go back to different filters. You could do reversal. I'm definitely happy this is working now. Fully charged. Good to go. So like I said, if you guys are in the market for a new gimbal, this is a great one to get. Everything works. The slow-mo, the time-lapse, the moment. I already showed those. I'm just afraid of copyrighted stuff. And then you could go here to adjust everything. Joysticks, calibration, restore settings, medium, file speed, we could speed it up, medium. And there we go. Ah, this is cool. There we go. See, there's the tracking right there. I think I covered pretty much, though. Like I said, though, this is the best one to get. And you guys, all you gotta do, click the link down below, check them out, and have some fun with it. Start your vlogs the right way. Use HoHem iSteady V2 Gimbal, AI tracking, stabilizer, good to go. YouTube, be safe, have a good night, and I'll see you soon.